This hack is sheer brilliance, and it's astonishing that something as ordinary as salt can wield such a powerful impact. Salt possesses a hygroscopic nature, which essentially means it's a moisture magnet, drawing dampness from the surrounding air. By sprinkling a little bit of salt in your fridge, you can significantly extend the freshness and crispness of your vegetables. This technique proves incredibly useful, whether you're stocking up on veggies or planning meals for the week. And there's more. Salt also acts as a natural deodorizer, eliminating any unwelcome smells that might be lingering in your fridge. So not only do your vegetables remain vibrant and fresh, but your fridge stays smelling clean and pleasant. It's a dual benefit that's too good to pass up. Why not give it a whirl? You're sure to be impressed.